Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly add up the items or terms in one of your saved lists. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your list is there. So if you go to Stat and then Edit, here I've got a couple of lists that are already defined. And I'm going to exit out of this. And what I want to do is I want to go to the List menu. So second, and then that's this button on a TI-84. So I'm going to go to second list, and then under the Math menu, option 5 is to sum everything up. So I'm going to click on 5, and then let's say I want to add up all the terms in L2. So I'm going to go second, 2, close that off, and when I hit enter, it will tell me the sum of all of those elements in L2.